Conquering the world is not easy. It takes courage to open the door and go out in pursuit of your dreams, of your vision. After all, the world can be very challenging. A place full of tests, trials, and traps. A place where only one misstep can mean the difference between success and failure. Thankfully, we do not need to face this journey alone, because out there are angels ready to protect us and accompany us throughout every step of the way. These guardians whisper in our ears, telling us the best choices to make. They listen to us and help us every time we reach out to them. They give us the security we need of always having someone to count on, and this makes us stronger and more confident day after day. From up in the clouds, they look after us. They root for us. They work for us. That's what Buysoft does. Much more than providing software-related services, the company seeks to find the best solutions for their customers. To do this, we offer a vast range of services, from licensing programs to storing data in the clouds, and including training, inventory management, and unlimited support. Like a veritable guardian angel of your business, Buysoft is ready to point out the best options for your specific case, helping you along the way and coming to your assistance every time you need it. The business world, just like life, can really be challenging. But isn't it good that you can count on your very own guardian angel, Buysoft, that will put wings on your company?